At some point in our life, we all have wished to have a time machine, with the help of which we could go to the future to know if we will be successful in our life, or to go to the past to change some past worse events of our lives. But for now, time machines are only possible in science fiction movies. But let's just imagine that somehow, with some advanced technology, we successfully created a time machine. You might think of going to the past and try to change some past events in your life, or by helping your past version in coming out of some difficult situations. But is it really possible to change the events that have already happened? Well, let's talk about this in this video. Well, thanks to Einstein's general theory of relativity, we now know that it is possible to bend space and time. The best example for this is a black hole. The strong gravity of a black hole wraps space and time around it. But with our current technology, it is impossible to create a device which can manipulate space and time. But let's imagine that somehow we manage to create a time machine. But the question is, will we be able to change the past events? Let's say, with the help of a time machine, you decided to go back in 2019 to find the first person who got infected from coronavirus and saved him. So, if that person is saved, then corona pandemic will not be there in present time. But if there is no pandemic, then you will not go to the past to save the first infected person, and eventually the COVID will spread again. These type of situations are called paradoxes. Here, the coronavirus example which we have taken is called the grandfather paradox. Grandfather paradox says, if you traveled back in time and somehow killed your grandfather when he was very young, then your parents will not exist, and so you will not exist. But if you do not exist, then how can you go back in time and kill your grandfather? Which means your grandfather is not killed, so your parents exist and now you also exist. So the solution for this paradox is that you can go back in time, but you cannot change the past events. For example, if you go back in time and try to kill your grandfather, then some situation will arise which will not allow you to kill him. Your weapon might get lost before you try to kill your grandfather, and any other event will happen to stop you. Well, this will happen because an event is directly or indirectly connected to many other events. So if you try to change an event, then other events will rearrange themselves to prevent any paradox and to make sure that future is not changed. Now, it is clear that we cannot change our past, but can we at least try to meet our past self? Well, I am sure that you do not remember any moment when you meet your future version. So, if you never met your future version till now, then in future, you never travel back in time to meet your past self. And even if you travel back in time, then you were not able to meet your past self. And if you remember a moment when you meet your future version, then in all possible past, you travel back in time to meet your past self. This makes your reality an eternal loop. Let's say, currently you are very poor. One day, your future version came to you and gave you $1 million to start a business. You started a business and become rich in the future, but then you realized that you have to go to the past to give $1 million to your past self to start a business that made you rich. So now, you can see that an infinite loop is formed. In every possible past, you are helped by your future version, and in every possible future, you are helping your past self. This again creates a paradox. So you see, time travel is not as simple as we think. It is not possible to change the past event, even if you have a time machine. Well, we will talk about some more time travel paradoxes in a different video.